Welcome to my comprehensive review of Cigna Telehealth Connection, a leading telemedicine service that aims to simplify healthcare access. Whether you're seeking a convenient way to connect with healthcare professionals or exploring virtual care options, this platform provides a seamless solution. In this video, I'll walk you through every aspect of the website, from setting up an account to booking your first virtual appointment, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. We start by exploring the user-friendly interface of Cigna Telehealth Connection. From the homepage, users are greeted with clear options for logging in, signing up, or learning more about available services. Setting up an account is straightforward. All you need to do is provide some basic personal information, verify your identity, and link your health insurance plan. For Cigna members, the platform integrates smoothly, making the entire process hassle-free. Once logged in, you'll notice the well-organized dashboard, which displays options like scheduling an appointment, viewing past visits, or managing prescriptions. The scheduling process is intuitive. You can filter by specialty, availability, and even preferred languages to ensure you find the best match for your needs. After selecting a doctor, the system allows you to choose between video or phone consultations, depending on your preference. During the consultation, the video quality is high, and doctors communicate effectively, taking time to address all concerns. One of the standout features is the follow-up care. After your visit, you'll receive a summary of the session, which includes prescriptions, referrals, and any recommended next steps. These documents are easy to access and download directly from your account. Cigna Telehealth Connection also offers 24/7 customer support, making it a reliable choice for emergencies or late-night health concerns. Whether you're dealing with a minor illness, mental health consultation, or chronic condition management, this platform provides top-notch care. Additionally, the mobile app version mirrors the website's functionality, ensuring you have access on the go. If privacy and security are your concerns, rest assured that the platform adheres to strict data protection standards. All communications are encrypted, and your medical records remain confidential. Overall, Cigna Telehealth Connection delivers on its promise of convenient, accessible, and professional virtual healthcare. For anyone exploring telemedicine, this service stands out for its user-centric design and comprehensive features. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone considering telehealth options, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and user experiences. Stay tuned for more insights into the best tools for modern healthcare.